How's it going, everybody? I'm Andy Savakinas, and we're here at Parts Online Network. Today, we're talking oil cooler lines. Now, I know if you have a Gen 3 or Gen 4 Viper or Dodge Ram Srt10, you are familiar with this oil cooler line. This one in particular is probably the only used one in the world that has not already leaked. We're going to address that today. What we have here are our oil cooler line kits. These are available to be purchased as parts, or you can buy them already constructed by us with a lifetime warranty. It includes your 4 fittings that go in the block and the oil cooler themselves, the AN fittings to fit the hoses to, and we've already pre-cut 2 sections of our steel reinforced hoses. So the only other thing you're going to need is an AN wrench. As you can see, this one's been well used. And we also used our vibrant cutters to cut the reinforced hose. Last thing that you need to make sure that it keeps your fittings pretty is the vice clamps, also available from Vibrant. We have all of this available on our website as well if you wanted to purchase these tools along with your oil cooler line kit. But today we're going to show you how to take all of these parts and turn them into a finished set of oil cooler lines. All right, let's get started. But first off, I want to thank Sunex for sending me this awesome hat. And they are not a sponsor of us yet, but they're going to be. All right, first thing that you're going to want to do, you do need to separate the fittings. This end is going to slide over the end of the hose here. Now, it is a tight fit, so you're going to have to work it on there. And you'll know when you get it on far enough, when you look inside there, it'll come to the end of the threads. We use white lithium grease because this is an extremely tight fit. So what I do is I'll lube the inside of the hose to get the fitting in here. Now this is also, like I said, this is a tight fit and you need to be careful that you are not cross-threading your fitting. Now remember, you don't want to do this. You can buy these kits already assembled from us, and that also includes a lifetime warranty. Now this is already started and it has gotten tight, so we're gonna have to head over to the vise where I showed you the clamp earlier, and we'll finish tightening it up there. All right, so you're gonna want to set this up in the vise. Now you don't want to set it up too high that you'll end up hitting the fitting with the wrench. As you can see by the marks here, I prefer to set it lower so it does grind on the wrench, but the wrench doesn't need to look pretty, the lines do. Then you just want to tighten this up, and you'll see as it closes up the gap. All right, so we have it all tight. Now, just a reminder, it doesn't matter where the fitting is, the orientation of the fitting is, you can adjust it whichever way you need it to go. And that's 1 down, 3 more to go, and then we'll show you what the finished set looks like.
Don't forget to follow our friends at SRT Addicts as well.
Second fitting installed. So we have 1 complete line here. The only thing missing is the fitting that's going to go into the block or the oil cooler. Now you'll obviously install this first. We do have a following video coming up where we actually install a set of these on a vehicle, so stay tuned for that one. And there you go, your finished set of oil cooler lines, something you will never have to worry about again on your Dodge Viper or Dodge Ram Srt10. To purchase them, visit Partsonlinenetwork.com. All of the links will be below in the description to purchase the lines, the kits to build the lines, and all the tools that we use today. Tune in next time as we put a set on a Ram Srt10 to show you just how easy it is to upgrade your oil cooler lines.
I'm still recording.
That was terrible.
All right.
Well, let's get started.